Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view the build version of your Windows 10 operating system or the OS build version. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and select that, and then select the system tile. And then you want to go all the way to the bottom of the list and select About. And then on the right panel, you want to scroll down and it should tell you your OS build version underneath Windows specifications near the bottom of this page. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.